Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on great leaders. Now, before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with defining leadership. Individuals or a group can be socially influenced through leadership. Leadership is the art of encouraging multiple people to work together to achieve a shared target. Particular qualities possessed by leaders make them great leaders. Now let's look at what makes a great leader. First, trust your own beliefs. Leaders must trust their ideas for others to have faith in them. They must communicate and listen to others well, set examples for them, and not give up after gaining their trust. Next, make difficult choices. Difficult choices are made by good leaders who sacrifice themselves to improve other people's life. In addition to the leader's family, the families of employees also depend on the leader as a business owner. Next, earn your team's respect. Characteristics of great leaders including empathizing, caring for followers, and respecting others. One must also show that the leader is mindful of the followers' thoughts and performance. Next, understand that people are crucial for success. Good leaders are well aware of the fact that their people are crucial for progress. Leaders create teams where people are capable of working together and are confident and competent. Next, convey an intelligible vision. A great leader is bold, honest, modest, focused, honorable, and has a clear vision. They plan everything tactfully and have faith in teamwork. Good leaders are not scared of recruiting people who could be better than them. Next, serve a higher purpose. Outstanding leadership results from a person's modesty and exceptional desire to lead others for an ultimately bigger purpose. The high ambition of great leaders is always directed at a most significantly purpose like a company. Next, do not force people to follow. Motivation instead of force is used by great leaders to make others follow them. Although a rare quality nowadays, great leaders set an example for followers. And finally, the word focus. A positive focus is maintained by great leaders in life irrespective of their surroundings. The company's needs and situations are always prioritized by leaders. They focus on the company's task, their task as well as others. Moving on to attributes of great leaders. First, transparency. Leaders are always transparent and to the point. There is never a doubt about their vision and task. This gives people the chance to accept the leader's vision and decide whether they want to support them. Next, conclusiveness. Good leaders are not afraid of commitment. They generally do not change their minds or back out. They are very consistent with their decisions. Decisiveness is a sign of commitment, which is very important for a great leader. Next, boldness. Boldness is both an innate and developed attribute. Some people are born fearless. Nevertheless, it is also something people can develop within themselves. A lot of leaders have learned to be fearless in order to achieve their goals. And finally, ardor. Great leaders show a lot of passion and energy towards their task. Leaders should not always shy away from exhibiting their passion towards their task, irrespective of whether it is a lab experiment or a book reading. Finally, let's look at examples of great leaders. The first in line is Martin Luther King Jr., African American Baptist minister. He used a variety of styles to establish and lead a movement that was fundamental to the successes of ending legal segregation in the United States. But in winning the hearts and minds of the American public as creating a worldwide following, King was foremost a practitioner of the art of charisma leadership. His "I Have a Dream" speech brought awareness in humanity to the national consciousness about civil rights. Next in line is Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. He appears on everyone's list of the top 10 most admired US business leaders every time. When he retired from Microsoft in 2008, Gates left a legacy as demanding and at times abrasive a boss. Yet he encouraged and nurtured enormous creativity and innovation for people and made a point of recognizing achievements. Next is Arianna Huffington, the co-founder of the Huffington Post. Back when she was fighting for a foothold in an industry dominated by mega corporation, she was a pace-setter style of leader obsessed with getting everything done as efficiently as possible. As she carefully crafted out the Huffington Post, a national online political news, it felt so special to a woman who would spend most of her adult life in the political spotlight. Next in line is Colin Powell, the 65th United States Secretary of State. It is said that even the best battle plans go out of the window the moment the shooting starts. That's how unpredictable and disruptive war really is. It also explains in large measure why Colin Powell grew to be an excellent example of situational leadership. He remains one of America's most admired figures, a man whose prestige transcended party lines and political ideology. Next is Mark Russell, the founder and chairman of Salesforce Inc. He has turned the software industry on its head. His company, simply called Salesforce.com, is a global cloud computing operation headquartered in San Francisco. Forbes magazine has called Salesforce the most innovative company in America every year since 2011. It provides a broad range of internet-based customer relationship and customer management services. Next in line is Jack Ma. Jack Ma was the first entrepreneur from mainland China to appear on the cover of Forbes magazine. He is also the founder of Alibaba Group, a group of internet companies. He first learned about the internet during a short trip to US, and when he returned home, he created a small website about China and Chinese products. This would be his first steps toward creating a company that would hold the record for the largest IPO in history. Next is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is most widely known for his founding of PayPal and SpaceX and his heavy involvement in Tesla Motors. Currently the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, his vision and a passion for pushing the boundaries of technology and consumer integration have led to increased exposure to solar panel, high-speed transportation, as in the Boring Company, and the artificial intelligence. Next is Mahatma Gandhi, anti-colonial nationalist and a political ethicist. After completing law from London, he became the most important part of the Indian freedom struggle against the colonial rule. His policy on non-violence and protest through civil disobedience eventually succeeded when he led his country to freedom in 1947. Next is Nelson Mandela, the former president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the first South African president elected in fully democratic elections. Mandela was also the main player in the anti-apartheid movements in the country and served a lengthy prison sentence because of the same. That did not stop Mandela and in fact motivated him to devote his life to uniting his country, and he successfully managed to do so after his release from almost 30-year prison sentence. And the final example of Fidel Castro, the Cuban revolutionary and former Prime Minister of Cuba. He endured many crises, invasions and assassination attempts and took them in stride. His vision for Cuba still stands and he has proved to be an effective leader and commander. So that's it folks, this brings an end to the topic on great leaders. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.